Hi everybody, appreciate you guys joining me today. Alright, welcome to my channel, Hussein Rizz Trader. It's your boy HRT. Appreciate you all for joining. So here we go. Today is just another day, right? Yes, I understand that this week we've been experiencing not the best experience, right? And we figured out why. And what's the reason of that? Well, the reason was we had a winning trade last week. And over the weekend, I thought to myself, let me make this more complicated. And that's what I did. And so, no more. Yeah, I'm serious, no more. Yes, let me put this away so I don't have to look at it. Alright, so no more of that. And so as if you guys can see my screen, it's exactly how it was last week, right? One full screen, the 5 minutes. If I need to access the 30 minutes, I'll go to it. I don't have a split screen of the 30 minutes and the 5 minutes and the 30 minutes have all these, lines in play. No, I made my strategy a bit complicated, and so and that's unfortunate, but we learn, we move forward, right? So with that all said, let's go. Today's Friday. Let's have a good trade. Let's make it simple, as that's what this is all about. Simple strategy. So here we go. So I got this screen over here. I got SPY on this screen, right? Alright, cool. So I got this screen in front of me right here. This is SPY right here. SPY is doing very well. It's doing really well. Really well. But we are waiting for our setup. We don't trade the first 15 minutes. So we gotta wait for the first 3 candles of this 5-minute candles to close. And then that 4th candle, if we did happen to see our setup within that 15 minutes, we'll take it. If not, we sit back, relax, and we wait for our setup. Just like that. We trade in very simply. Alright? We trade in very simply. So let me here we go. Here we go. We got SPY here moving, beautiful wake up here. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. And by the way, we're also going to be trading here too. If you guys can see at this screen, I got TQQ up there and I also got SQQ down here, right? So for SQQ, let me make sure I get the right thing in mind here. Alright, cool. So we trade for whichever one we get a strategy, right? We're gonna get our strategy. By the way, for these two on TQQ and SQQ, we only trade long. We only trade long. Whichever strategy that is breaking the view up on the upside is the one that we trade. And it seems like right now is SQQQ. That's what it appears to be, right? We are getting a break on TQQ here. We're getting a break here. And what's our strategy? It's very simple. It's 3-step. Break on view up. Close on the direction of that break below view up. And thirdly, we enter that retest. Thirdly, what? We enter on that retest. And it's really that simple. I made it complicated. It's a simple strategy that we've been making money on. And I decided, you know what? Since I've been making good money, let me make it more complicated. Let me make it 100%. Took an L. Massive L. And that's that. And that's what happened, And we just gotta laugh at that and we bounce back. We bounce back. That's it. We bounce back. And that's what we did right now. That's what we're doing right now. So let's trade with that simple strategy as we always do. The Rizz setup. Simple, confident, plan in mind. Just like that. Alright? Just like that. Here we go. Done that one. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got a break. Alright? We got a break on. Oh, this is juicy. We're experiencing a break on SPY. Ooh. Alright, here we go. SPY is getting a break. We also got SQQ. We also got SQQ moving up here. We also got a break. So after this, we're gonna get a retest. The question comes down to, now we have 2 options. What are we gonna do, right? Are we gonna go on the, get a call on SPY or get a put on sorry, are we gonna do a call on SQQ or a put or a put on SQQ, sorry, or a put on SPY? All right, let me say this again. All right, are we gonna do a retest to do a put on SPY or a call on SQQ? So I did enter here this candle, as you guys can see. We had a break. Oh shoot, because this is a break and I have to wait for the oh, I kind of got a little too early on this position. That's fine. That's completely okay. All right, here we go. Because normally my strategy is what? A break, a close, and then the retest. I just forgot that I'm not even in the retest. I'm not even the close yet. All right. So here we go. All right. We will be buying this for every dip that we get. Although we did enter a little too early. But I think we're still fine as long as TQQ is, you know, not crossing the VWAP. We're fine as long as it doesn't move up. We'll move up on the VWAP. We're fine. I'm willing to add more into my position here. Here we go. Am I gonna have to sell this position? We will see. But I did add it into that push down. I guess my excitement really got to me, huh? Because remember, we have to have a break and a close, and then we enter that retest. Right now, I entered the position before we even got a close. You know? But we'll see. If we take an L on this one, we're just going to call it. I'm willing to continue buying this into the 9. But I understand that it is a little early to get in. I prefer to wait. There we go. We're getting a 9 retest right now. So if we start to move below here, I will have to call it a day with the position, boys. Let's go. Yeah, I think below here is no need for it anymore. I'm going to add in more to this call. Alright, looks like as you guys can see, TQQ is trying to move up, and this is one of the reasons we wait for that. We wait for that, you know. I will get out of this position. It's fine. I don't think we'll take major L. Well, we're still gonna take an L, whether God is major or not. That's not good. But yeah, we're gonna stick through this. We're gonna see what happens here. If we're gonna close above here or not. So we could get it. We could get a reversal here, and it's one of the reasons I don't trade this one. I wait for above. Again, we enter this too soon, you know. And but yeah, we wait. If we go to our stop, we're gonna get out of the position. That's it. Just like that. All right, looks like we are reversing on the upside. All right. We're gonna pass the 9. Here we go. Alright, we're now trading above it. Alright, here we go. I'm very tempted to start getting out of the position, to be honest. This is absolutely not our strategy. I'll be buying the puts on SPY, really, based on this. I'm gonna get out of this position. I don't think I'm comfortable with this. This is obviously not my strategy, yet I'm still in it. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, I'm gonna start to get out, guys. This obviously wasn't really my strategy. But yeah, that was yeah, bad start. It's fine. It's a bad start. It's fine. We're fine. It is a bad start, though, I ain't gonna lie. I should have probably gotten out as soon as I realized, oh shoot, this is not my entry, I gotta wait for the other one. But I decided to stick with it, you know what I'm saying? But we took a very light L. We're fine. We're gonna get it back, no big deal. No big deal. Alright. Let's be closed here. Remember, a break, a close, and into the retest. Alright? What we did was we had a break and then we entered. We didn't allow this candle to see if it's going to be above it or not. Right? And obviously it didn't, so we would have not entered. For SPY, however, if you take a look at SPY, we had a break, a close, and we were into this one to go short. And we would have lost money on this trade, but it's fine. We would have had it about here or so for our stop loss. So now SPY is doing a bit of a, indirectional change here, right? Can't decide on a direction. Market seems to be wants to go down today, and that's fine. All right, here we go. Can we get that retest on SQQ? On SQ, let's go. There we go. We get a light entry here. I entered a bit a little too soon. I entered extremely heavy, actually. We're in SQQ. We entered way too early. Ooh, we did got to close above on. Right, here we go. All right, now we wait for SQQ. We had our entry. We had a break. Look at that. We had a break, a close, and then we entered here. Although we entered a little bit here, I don't like it. I wish I kind of waited a little bit. And we'll see what's gonna happen here. Right now, SPY is breaking on the downside, which low-key is kind of what we want. Now that we're in SQQ. So I'm glad I didn't enter for a call here on SPY. So what would be our exit here in this strategy, right? So maybe here? Here seems reasonable. Let's right, I'm gonna enter more here. Looks too not to enter here. Oh, I'm not really that much in, huh? Well, it's my first time trading here, so it's fine. Trading SQQ and stuff. So next time I'm gonna enter on the basis of 10 contracts with SQQ. Now that I have a good feel of what this contract is like. And the market value, it's less than 1,000 right now. All right. I'm entering every push down to the VWAP. That's what I'm doing right now on SQQ. So far, we're doing all right. I mean, so far the trade seems to be going in our direction, and TQQ is a bit further away from the VWAP, so that's a good sign. It's a good sign that this trade may go towards the direction we want. Yeah, I don't like this option contract. I don't like it. But it's okay. Now we know what it's like, right? Now we know what it's like. Now we understand what it's like. We're barely making money. Barely, you know? Right, SQQ. I'm gonna be ready to sell here soon. If you start to see some money here, come on, give us some green here. Come on, SQQ. Let's go. We got $10 here. $30. Come on. Keep moving. Ooh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, okay, we're getting a little rejection here. Interesting. Do you think SQQ is gonna go to the pre-market high? Like right here? This is a, I guess I should have probably laid off a little bit here. Seems to be a spot to kind of consider. Yeah, yeah. So I can see why this one kind of looped up like that a little bit. I'm gonna buy more here, this level. Here we go. Here we go. Any dip, I'm buying it. Any dip I can get, buying SQQ right now. SQQ is still valid. SQQ is still valid entry. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're alright, SQQ is testing the VWAP again. Also, TQQ is also testing the VWAP to try to move up. As long as we're not seeing the body on the VWAP on TQQ, we're still fine with this position. We're still fine with this position. I'm gonna keep adding more. And also SPY is also going down. SPY looks like it's going on the downside, as you guys can see. So I'm still adding to this SQQ position. Alright, looks like TQQ is looking to move up. Gotta be careful now. This is when we start to get a little worried. Right? Alright, I'm gonna keep adding here, here. Dip to the 9. Here we go. Now TQQ is testing. It's testing that VWAP. If he starts to above it, I'm gonna start to call it a day with this position. Right? I'm going to call it a day with this position. I'm gonna enter it because we're just on the VWAP right now. But I'm gonna start to call this position if we don't reject TQQ. If TQQ does not reject this, then we have a concern. If TQQ does not reject this and go down, then we have to call this position out. We have to call it an L, right? We would have to do that. But as long as we're seeing wick here and we're seeing wick on the downside here, we're fine. We're still fine with the position. Alright? Although it's a little worrisome, we're still fine. I'm gonna add more here. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get it on the basis of maybe a bit more now. All right, here we go. We are reaching our stop loss. Okay, so the body did move above it, so I'm gonna start to lay off the position. We're gonna start to call it out here. All right, we're gonna start to move slowly, move out of the position. This sucked, but that's what happened. All right, gonna start to. Okay, we're out of the position. We took a major L, $230, about 280 down on the day just on this trade. So we're not. So right now the market it's really going in a particular direction, right? It's really in and out. Like we're not seeing, this is a very, very difficult market I'm in. I'm not lying. This is a very terrible market I'm in, right? But that's fine. That is completely fine. We're gonna continue the trade. We had to get out. Unfortunately, I didn't like seeing. Maybe perhaps I should have just kind of waited for my stop loss, to be honest. But just the idea that I'm seeing the body on the body here, the body is above the VWAP here on this one. I don't like it. I don't like it. So this was a major L trade. It was our strategy. It is fine. It is a normal trade that we normally do, but we're just in a very tough market where it just can't seem to decide on direction, right? Once we have a 5-minute close on that direction, the market tended just to move in that direction. So, but it has this wishy-washiness to it, and so this is the market condition we're in, and that's fine. That's fine. And I think, yeah, that's all there's to it. It's nothing else can be said, right? We experienced this 3 days ago. Here we are. Should I enter here? Very tempting to enter puts here, but again, we trade the VWAP. We wait for that push out. Can we get a little bit here at least? I'm ready to enter puts here. Can I get a little bit closer to that VWAP? I want a little bit closer to this VWAP for me to enter, for me just to enter, right? So right now we're still holding the supply, that's why we're seeing this bounce, and it's expected. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in right now. I'm in lightly now. I'm in on puts lightly right now. I'm in on puts. If you see more push out, I'm gonna get in more. But right now I'm in light right now. All right, I'm in position. Here we go. I'm in light, and I want to add more. I want to add more as we get a little bit closer. I think this third attempt to the third attempt here to this supply, we might break it down. I think we might break it down. I think Muhammad, you might be right, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna trade that. I'm gonna trade with that assumption. Here we go, and it's also happened to align with my strategy. Here we go. Can I see more so I can add more to this? You know what? I'm gonna add more. Normally I don't do this. I probably waited it off a little bit, but I added a little bit now. Here we go. I'm on 10 contracts right now. Here we go for puts. We're still looking to see that VWAP push here. I do like this wick right here, right? This supply dump right here. I do like it. Here we go. Are we gonna test the VWAP? Or are we gonna dump down? That's it. We don't focus on what the outcome is, right? We have a strategy that works at a certain level of probability percentage. We let the math do our thing. For as long as we consistently just simply follow our strategy to the T. Alright? Alright, cool. Here we go. Alright, let me take a look at our P&L, just so I'm following along on this trade here. Alright, so right now we're up $75, boys. Let's go. Let's go right now. Let's go. Right? I'm willing to hold this for a little bit here. Okay, $80. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit off here. I'm gonna get $40 off. We might break this. What's it called? We might break this supply demand area. But I like to sell just before we get to it. I don't sell when we get to it. You know what I mean? I don't want to take that kind of risk. I did took a little bit off the table right now. Our option is still pretty high here. We're still good. This trade should go into our direction, and if it does, great. And if it doesn't, that's also fine. Here we go. My plan is to, if we get a push down right here, my plan is to sell around here. If we get a push down, here we go. Looks like we're getting the push down. I'm out. Let's go. Let's go. I don't trade into the break. You know what I'm saying? I don't trade into the break. We made money right now. Let's go. Done. We just made about $100 some right now. $152. Let's go. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah. $152 we made. Just like that. What do you think, Mohammed? What's up? What do you think, bro? Just like that, bro. Holy shit. Yo, you saw that? Yo, tell me you saw that in the chat real quick. The what we just did right now. Look at that. We just sold on this. Could I have waited? Especially on this third attempt? Yeah, I could have waited it. But again, I ain't gonna lie, bro, right now I'm currently at a detriment because I took an L on the first few trades because the market was just so wishy-washy. So I'm kind of in a state where I just want to take profit. You know what I'm saying? I just want to take profit. So I'm kind of driven emotionally in that sense. Could I have probably waited? Yes. You know what I'm saying? But right now I'm just gonna take the money, bro. Let's go. You say you saw it. Let's go. Let's go. Right? All right. Cool. All right. Right now, here's what we're gonna do right now. Right. Right now, since we traded SPY, right, and at this point, I'm not gonna trade any more retest. I only like to trade the first one, which we did. Right. Take a look at this. We had a break, and we had the retest here. You know, I didn't trade this one because I just felt like, oh no, we had a break, a close. This was our close. We don't trade this one, and this is the one we would have to trade to get closer to the VWAP. But I didn't want to enter here for a put because I just wanted to get as much we can close to the VWAP. We didn't, and so this is my third opportunity to see if we're gonna get there. So third attempt is usually indication that we're not going to. If the first time if the second time it didn't. So that means it's likely it's going to push down further. And that's why I didn't mind entering puts even though we're a bit further away from the VWAP. Even despite that, you know, I still went in lightly. I went in with cautious. Because my plan is to add more as we get to that VWAP. And I went in with cautious. We got out with the 154. Let's go. Strong. And by the way, we got a break here, right? We got a break. We got a close. And guess what? We can buy this right now. We can buy to go up. Right? We can buy to go up. We can buy right now to go up. Let me take a look here. We can buy to go up. This is our setup though, by the way. I just want to let you know this is our setup, right? So the question is, should we do it, right? Right now I've made about 4 trades. This will be my 5th trade. I have to respect my rules. I would have loved to take this trade. I think it's probably gonna go in our direction, and I'm very tempted to go in. But I do have a rule where I can't make more than 4. If anything, maybe no more than 5. You know, this is a very... What do you think I should do, bro? Should I take this trade? Very interesting here. Very tempting trade to take. Very, very tempting here. Very tempting trade. I think I might take it. You said you think? You think I should take this trade? I mean, it is my setup. We got 1 more minute here. Come on, bro. Give me an answer real quick. You know what? We're going to take it, bro. We're going to take it. We're going to take this trade. We're going to go and switch the call. All right, cool. The next candle that opens up here, bro, we're going to be going in. So I'm going to go ahead and go in. So if we make money, bro, I got to contribute it to you. If we lose, it's fine. It's on me, bro. It's good. I mean, we're fine. It's just strategy here. All right, I'm in right now on this move. We're going to have our stop loss maybe right here. Right? We're going to have our stop loss right here. And if we take an L, it's okay. We're just calling it a day. This is our last trade here. So we're going to go ahead and have it right there. As long as we're seeing a wick, we're fine, right? And this is the pre-market high, by the way. So we're going to see if we're actually going to break. We do see a wick here. So let me, if we do take a trade, it's fine. We're completely okay with it. All right, here we go. Are we going to see a bounce here? Here we go, bro. Here we go. Are we going to see a bounce here? That's the question. Are we going to see a bounce here? Are we going to flop down? Are we going to do a flip-flop again? Because I thought we're done with this flip-flop. You know, that's kind of the market we've been in lately, bro. You know, we go in one direction and then we change back. It kind of pisses me off, real. But if that's the market we're in, that's just the market we're in, bro. Nothing we can do. right? We do want to see a wick here. I'm not gonna lie. We need to see a wick here. And this would be our stop loss. The question is why here though, right? We are seeing a wick. We're doing okay. That's a good thing at least. But we're gonna see here. We're gonna see here. This is a break. Here's the close, and now here's this retest that we entered. Now this is a clean strategy. Here we go. Are we gonna move up, or are we gonna have to sell this for an L, right? That's the daily question, right? We're up. How many contracts am I in right now? I'm only in 10. Let's go, bro. Come on, come on. Not sure why it's not moving really good. I'm gonna sell a little bit here as we start to get to this. I'm a little surprised we're not moving at a good rate here. Really surprised here. Come on, come on. Let's move up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If we see here, I'm gonna take the first 5 off here, this spot right here. I'm gonna take the first off, I'm gonna take 5 out here. If we even see that. Come on, here we go, come on. I'm gonna get out of this for a break even, or we're making money on it. There's nothing else to it. Alright, there's nothing else to it. Here we go. Here we go, bruh. Here we go. Alright, we're up $30 right now. Should we call it? Come on. Are we going to get here? Why am I only up a little bit here? I don't like that. Alright, $40. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here real quick. Because we're getting really close to this here. I'm gonna let this next 5 run. I'm going to let this 5 run. Come on. Oh wow, we are doing really well here. So here's what I did. I sold a little bit off here as we got this, this supply. So by the way, I guess to really answer your question, yes, I do technically trade supply and demand because my selling involves, understanding where the supply and demand is at. All right. So if this trade were to go against me, it's cool. We're gonna just get out. You know what I mean? Take, bro. Bro, can you clarify that real quick? Take what? Take partials. Oh, that's true. You're right. I should have probably switched instead of on a basis of 5. I probably should have sold it on a basis of like maybe 2 or 1 contract at a time. So I took half off. That first, I took half off when we got to this supply here. So we're gonna see here. But you're right. I'm gonna go ahead and follow your your suggestion here. I'm gonna go ahead and sell lightly instead of selling half. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and switch my selling. Instead of 5, I'm going to change it to 1. Just going to ease it off a little bit. How about that? Ease off the gas a little bit by little bit and let the rest run. I'll take that. I'll take that, bro. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that suggestion. Let's go. We're up $15. I don't know if you see on the screen, bro. Do you see on the screen? I think you do. I think, yeah, you should be able to see it on the screen. All right, cool, cool, cool. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. By the way, I do like to see this. What's it called? This 9 moving above the VWAP. It's a great It's a good indicator. Like now things are reversing. Things are reversing in the upside. So that's a good sign. That's a very good sign. That's a very, very, very good sign. Here we go, bro. Here we go. 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 We're now coming to that. We're coming to it. I mean, we're really struggling to break this. By the way, if we break this supply spot, bro, ooh, yeah, it's gonna be really good if we break this supply. All right, we're up 25, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and cut 1 out just because we're so close to that supply. I'm gonna just get 1 out, right? I'm following. Ooh, let's go, let's go. We're breaking it. We're breaking it. Let's go. Alright, we are breaking that spot. Alright, we really are breaking it. I took one out. I took one out of the contract. I got only 4 in place now. Here we go. Come on, come on. Break it, break it. We're going to let this 4 run. We're going to let this 4 run. And we're going to sell these 4 with, what's it called? We're going to sell this. Yeah, let's go! we're gonna sell this 4 out of break even. That's it. We're going to sell this 4 out of break even. We're going to sell one more here. This wick right here. This wick where things just, when the price hit here and it just rejected it. So that's what's going on right now. It's fighting this supply and it's also fighting this supply. So it looks like there is a supply here. So the price really needs to move above this zone, basically, right? That's what we're seeing right now, right? We have this right here, and we also got this right here. So there's a supply zone right here. The price is just getting dumped down, right? Enough buyers have to come in and say, nah, bro, we're good, we're moving out, type shit. That's what we gotta see. So here we go. Here we go. I am what's it called? I am getting things off slowly, right? We're very light. We're very light in this position. I mean, I would have liked to add in a bit more here. That's normally what I do at my regular side. Actually, I did do my regular side. We're good, bro. I'm just a little surprised where, we entered here, but yet we didn't suddenly see 100 plus. Normally, that's the kind of that's what we usually see, on the upside. But looks like this contract's. I guess that's also a sign that when my call contract is not moving as regular move, I'm gonna go ahead and get one out. Let's go, let's go, bro. Woo! Come on, bro. Let's go, bro. I took one more out just to secure more profit here. I took one more out. We're literally trying to move out of this supply here. We're capturing the supply. Look at that. The supply is dumping. Here we go. Buyers need to continue capturing, bro. That is true. You're right, bro. It is the spread. Perhaps the thing about the spread, with SPY, it has a very small chance of having a sporadic spread, I mean, it is SPY and it's the top traded ETF. And so that's why I just say to myself, I'm going to just trade market on this one because I'm not too worried about the spread. But sometimes you're right. Sometimes perhaps there are days where exceptions, we do get this kind of spread. Perhaps that's what it is, because, bro, we're into with 10 contracts and yet we're barely seeing $100. That's kind of weird. You know what I'm saying? What did you say, bro? Price doesn't get in you where you want. Facts. All right, bro, we're literally moving up right now. We're only in 2 contracts. I'm going to get one out, Normally, it doesn't take me this long to enter a position to say, I'm already up $200, $300. You know what I'm saying? So there's some going on here. I think there's probably a lot going on. I think there's a lot of maybe puts going on that's maybe involved. I have no idea. But you're right. It could be the price that I got in for sure. I do agree with you on that, bro. Here we go. So we're basically good on this position. I'm a bit surprised. I'm not gonna lie. With the kind of we basically got the breadcrumbs, bro. We got the breadcrumbs, right? Hey, money's money. We gotta take it. We're gonna put it in our pocket. We're done. Oh, yo, guess what? Guess what's going on right now, right? The price moved above, captured this supply, and guess what? Now it opened above the pre-market high. You see this this thick line? I made it thick to indicate that this is a pre-market high. I marked my pre-market high, my pre-market low a little bit more thicker line just to kind of say, okay, this is a major spot, right? So this is very bullish right now. This is very, very bullish. We're gonna hold this one contract. We're gonna see what it does. All right, we're gonna see what it does. Are we gonna move to here? Can we sell this one contract all the way here to the high of the day? This is just a run at this one. We don't care, right? At this point, we can cruise a little bit, right? Let the runner do his thing. But yeah, we made really good money on this. This was a very great trade. I would have liked to see more profit, but this is a very good trade. I would have liked to see more profit with the amount of contract we were in place, but this was an excellent trade. This is exactly our strategy. This is literally our strategy. I'm a bit flustered right now. I was a bit hesitant to enter more, just because we had this wishy-washiness, right? We had a break, a close, and I would place a put here, but then it goes against me. What? We had a break, a close, and I would get an enter to go up here, but then it going against me. Like, what? Finally, after this one, you know, we had a break, a close, and then I would place a put, and he actually went in that direction. Here, ta-da, you know? But it was very wishy-washy. This was a good trade. This is a good trade here. Oh, no, this is actually a break, too. Never mind. A break, a break, a break, a break, close, and then we entered here. We made money here, made really good money here, and then in our next strategy, a break, a close, a re-entry, re-entry, we made money. So, just like that. Risk-free, bro. Risk-free. Literally, that's where it is right now. We're just letting the runners do his thing. And they can jog, they can take a nap if they want to. We're fine. This armies that is in right now, they can little, you know, they can do their thing a little bit. But however, though, we're not gonna sell this at a loss, though, right? That's not what I'm doing. I'm gonna get out if I start to see zero some dollars. You know, if I see a zero or anywhere in the below zero, I'm just gonna get out. It's doing a beautiful retest to the 9. That's fine, but I'm just gonna get out. Okay, this is just our runner. We don't need to risk anything with our runners. All right, let's go. We're done for the day. We are done for the day. Let's go, bro. You know, we took major L's in the beginning because of the wishy-washy current, you know, the wave we were in. But we captured some of our money. We went from some $200 loss to now in the green, slightly in the green, or even like slightly down. Maybe I'll look at it. If anything, we're probably down maybe just $10, you know. But we made a really good trade. If we're up, we're probably up maybe, I don't know, $30-40. Yeah. And this is trading. This is trading. It, you know, does it suck that we experienced that wishy-washiness in the beginning? It does, you know. But we did fucking good. We did excellent. We did very well. We followed our strategy. Your boy's back now. HRT's back. Come on, you know. I'm not doing that what I did earlier, right? I'm not changing out my strategy. I'm not making them complicated. I'm not gonna fight the market and say, hey, this strategy is good. I want to make it 70-90%. No, I don't need to do that, bro. 60-65%, cool. I'll work with it, and I'll allow the 40% chances that it gets to me. I'll let it do its thing. That's what we experienced today in the first, you know, hour. That's what we experienced, right? The first 2 trades we took, it was literally that. It was literally that 40% odds, and that's fine. But yeah, I do agree with you, bro. You know, brand new tomorrow. Every day is a new day. Let's go. All right. Mohammed, I appreciate you joining me on live. I want to say your boy HRT is out. Today was a really good trade. I'm glad that you found it very valuable. I really low-key enjoyed it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. For real, bro. First fan out here, bro. Appreciate you, bro. For real. I hope you did took value off of this. And take care, bro. I'm gonna call it a day. Ibasha, man. HRT, out. Great trading today. Oh, I think